Moving ETL workflows from Informatica to Microsoft Fabric has now become simpler with Kanerika's Flip platform. Informatica handles enterprise data integration well, but Microsoft Fabric offers something better. It combines data integration, engineering, analytics, and AI in one place with faster processing, easier scaling, and lower costs. The problem is migration. Manual work takes months, uses too many resources, and creates errors. Kanerika solves this in 2 steps. First, Fire extracts your Informatica mappings, workflows, and business logic. It packages everything for conversion. Then Flip converts those workflows into Fabric-ready pipelines automatically. You get faster migration, less risk, and preserved business logic. Now let's see how this works. The actual migration process begins by connecting to the source environment where Informatica mappings are stored. Once the source is configured and the mapping is selected, the migration process begins with a simple submit action. Within minutes, migration completes. You get detailed logs showing exactly what happened. The output appears in your Microsoft Fabric workspace as data flows and pipelines ready to use. All transformations stay intact. No manual coding is needed. Business logic is preserved and translated into Fabric components ready for deployment. This process saves time, reduces risk, and accelerates the move to Microsoft Fabric. Here's what we covered. We started with why companies choose Microsoft Fabric. The answer lies in unified analytics, better performance, and cloud scalability. Then we dove into the problem. Manual migration takes months and creates risk. But Kanerika's proprietary Fire plus Flip migration accelerator automates the entire process of moving from Informatica to Microsoft Fabric. Finally, the result is deployment-ready pipelines, data flows, and documentation. So, why wait? Start your Informatica to Microsoft Fabric migration today. Book a free demo at www.kanerika.com/meet.